Most Canva users never touch this feature, but it's easily the one thing that separates beginner designs from more advanced-looking videos. I'm talking about layers. Get this wrong, and your animations will look flat and messy. But once you master it, you'll be able to move objects, hide elements, and create polished videos that actually stand out from the rest. And since I'm using Canva Pro in this lesson, I'll even show you several tricks using a few of their magic media tools to make your videos even better. Tools that can, for example, pull individual objects out of a static image background so that you can layer and animate them however you want. This tool is crazy awesome. I spent hours and hours using these tools, so I know them pretty well. Today, I'll be breaking this workflow down step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Canva layers to level up any project, even if you've never tried it before. Let's get started. First, let's start fresh. I'll go to YouTube Video or Video and click it to open a blank video project. Pro tip, you can always add extra pages if you want multiple scenes by clicking on the plus button down here. But today, let's stick to one so I can walk you through the process step by step. Next, let's add a background. I'll head over to Elements and search for a forest background. I like this one, so let's drag it in and make it fill the screen. Now, we could keep it simple, but I want to show you some fun tricks while we talk about using layers and making videos. Pro tip for creators and YouTubers. Even though I'm using a lot of Canva assets in this tutorial, I highly encourage you to take the layering methods I show you and apply them to your own original images, AI art, or custom backgrounds. Making your own visuals from scratch not only makes your videos more unique, but also helps make them more brandable and potentially monetizable down the road. Think of Canva's asset library as your starter kit, then expand it with your own creativity. Since I'm on Canva Pro, I'll click Edit, then go to Magic Studio, then choose Magic Grab. First, I'll grab this tree. Click on it, then choose Grab. Canva takes a few seconds, then it creates a brand new element that I can move around. See, it's separated it from the original background, and now it's a separate piece I can drag anywhere. I'll move this new page up to be my first scene. Let's do it again. This time, I'll grab the log, some grass, etc. Choose Magic Grab, click on those images, then choose Grab. It's done. Now I've got another separate piece I can move wherever I want. At this point, I've got a forest background, a tree, and a log with mushrooms, all separated into individual layers, and all from a static image. Here's the secret sauce. Click Position, then choose Layers. Boom, you'll see every element stacked in its own layer. This is where the real power comes in. Now let's make this scene more fun. I'll go back to Elements and search for vines. To make it even better, I'll click on Animated so Canva shows me vines that actually move. I like this one, so I'll drop it in and tweak it a little. Next, how about a frog? I'll shrink him down and sit him right on top of the log. Nice! And for even more fun, let's add a hiker. Let's find one. I'll grab this guy, flip him so he's facing the right way, and then animate his walk. Here's how. Click on Animate, then the little B option, and just drag him with my mouse to create his walking path. You can also adjust how smooth or steady his movement is. Pretty cool, right? Now here's where you'll really see the power of layers. Say you want the frog to sit behind the log instead of on top of it. Okay, all you do is go back to Position, then choose Layers, and drag the frog's layer underneath the log. Check it out. Done. Same thing with the hiker guy. Maybe he should walk behind the tree instead of in front of it. Click on his path, delete it, then redraw where you want him to walk. Then adjust the layer order so he's actually behind the tree. Easy fix. Layers let you control exactly where each piece sits in your scene. Think of it like stacking paper cutouts. You decide what's on top of the pile and what's tucked behind. Knowing how to use layers is so important. Quick tip, if you click the 3 dots on any layer here, you'll find extra options for fine-tuning. Definitely worth playing around with. Working with layers is definitely a must-know skill for anyone making videos in Canva. If your scenes look off, like someone floating in front of the wrong object, it's probably a layer issue, and now you know how to fix it. So remember, go to Position, then to Layers to see everything on your pages. Drag layers up or down to change what's in front or behind on any page. Use Magic Grab, if you're on Pro, to separate elements into separate movable pieces. Remember, the more you practice, the better your videos will look. Try making your own forest scene and maybe even animate a hiker dude like we did today.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.